I needed to add a new mirror into the bathroom that we have in the office. And this one here is super stylish, and it's very durable. I love that this is made out of tempered glass, which means it's shatterproof and burst proof. The instructions give you how to be able to hang it, whether it's vertical or horizontal. And that allows it to be able to go ahead and use in your space however it is that you're needing to use it. So it's super easy to be able to hang up. Basically, it's got clips on the back here where you'll go ahead and mount the pieces of metal onto the wall, and then the mirror will actually go ahead and hang onto those pieces of metal. The black metal frame does not have a high gloss whatsoever, and it's also rust resistant. So when these are in your bathroom, you don't have to worry about them getting all rusted or anything like that, especially with the humidity of the restroom.